Hi, this is Luke from Taillight Pro. Today we have 2015 Ford Everest, stock number 6598. This ran from the 7th 2015 and the 5th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 3.2 litre P5AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 20-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, left hand door mirror, left hand and left rear door no dents, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 20-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 20-inch factory Aftermarket tyre, right hand door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, Aftermarket JVC touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kitty light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,